Remember when Hailuo AI by MiniMax was the go-to favorite for every content creator on a budget? The visuals were stunning, the vibes were perfect until they pulled the plug on free credits. Yeah, that broke more hearts than Netflix canceling your favorite series after one season. But don't panic because Wan 2.2 is here, and it's stepping right into Hailuo's shoes. Faster, sharper, and honestly, it feels like the upgrade we didn't know we needed. So, how exactly did Wan 2.2 become the new king of the creator toolbox? Let's dive in. The best part? With Wan 2.2, you can sign in using Gmail or, hey, even a temporary email, like the one I'm totally not using right now. That alone gives it a leg up over Hailuo. And here's the kicker. Instead of just 10 free credits like they used to, Wan 2.2 now hands you 50. Yep, 50. That's like going to a coffee shop expecting a free sample and walking out with a full latte. Unlimited fun, unlimited creativity. Wan 2.2 is already way ahead. All right, time to put Wan 2.2 to the test. Can it really replace the fan favorite Hailuo MiniMax? First up, the text-to-video tool. I tossed in a basic prompt, thanks to a little help from ChatGPT, and wow, the results are right on par with Hailuo. Cinematic feel, realistic character, okay, the physics were a little off, but hey, that's what you get with a bare-bones prompt. Overall, this looks like great news for anyone who's been missing Hailuo. Let's run another prompt on Wan 2.2 just to double-check its magic. And wow, visually stunning, cinematic, and super realistic. Proof that with a well-crafted prompt, you can still create the same kind of magic Hailuo once gave us. Now for the image generator test. I threw in some basic prompts, and here's the cool part. It only costs 2 credits to make an image, but you get 4 versions back. Talk about a bargain. And wow, this lady in black looks seriously photorealistic. Tried a superhero girl too. Nailed it. Even anime style? Smooth. So yeah, Wan 2.2 isn't just keeping up, it's officially 2 steps ahead of Hailuo. Alright, time to test Wan 2.2's image-to-video feature. Remember our lady in black? Let's bring her to life. You can go with a simple prompt or let their smart AI craft a fancier one, but for now, we're keeping it basic. And there she is, moving, alive, and, well, looking so stunning you might be tempted to ask her out. Careful though, she's AI, not Tinder. Uh-oh, looks like I ran out of free credits. So, what now? Well, you can wait until tomorrow and snag another 50 credits, or if patience isn't your thing, do what I did. Hop on another temporary email and boom, unlimited access all day. And check this out, new account plus leftover credits from yesterday. That's 70 free credits ready to go. Hailuo never gave us that little bonus. So yes, Wan 2.2 isn't just a replacement, it's an upgrade. No more sad faces, Wan 2.2 is here to save the day. So there you have it, Wan 2.2 stepping up and proving it's more than ready to replace Hailuo MiniMax, and honestly, even outshine it, free, unlimited, and packed with features creators love. If you found some value in our content, then show some love to me and tell, and hey, drop a comment below. Are you Team Wan 2.2 now, or still missing Hailuo?